Hello, good evening, one and all. This is Professor Divya Bhardwaj from TIT MBA. And today I'm going to teach you Unit 3rd of Management Concept and Practices. Unit 3rd of Management Concept and Practices is all about the planning and the decision making. Planning is the first and most important function of management. As under planning, we decide in advance that what is to be done in future. Planning involves problem solving and decision making. Uh, let's indulge into the lecture. First topic is concept of planning. Planning is the process of deciding in advance that what is to be done in future, means what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and who will do it to achieve organizational goal. Here definition is also given. Planning involves setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. Next is the importance of planning. That why planning is too much important in organization. First things come first. First is it literally gives direction to the organization. Second is it literally works on reduces uncertainty and minimization of risk. Third is all about it helps in efficient use of resources, that whatever the resources are available into the organization, we just need to make the maximum use of it. And fourth, last and not the least, it facilitates control and make the proper coordination between different resources of the organization. Third is strategic management, that what strategic management is all about. Let's get started with the concept. Strategic management is the process of formulating, implementing, and evaluating a strategy to achieving organizational objective. That means if we want to achieve the organizational goal, we need to make a proper strategy. For that purpose, it means we need to formulate the plan, we need to make the proper implementation of that plan, and after this, we need to evaluate our strategy time to time, and to monitor that strategy is a compulsory thing to achieve the organization object. There is a process of strategic management. Under these points must be calculated or can be counted. First is environmental analysis. Second is strategic formulation. Third is strategy implementation. And fourth is strategy evaluation and control. It means for the strategic management, first things come first. We need to make the assessment regarding environment of the organization. Second thing, we need to formulate a proper strategy uh, for the future purpose. Third is after the formulation of a strategy, we need to implement that strategy very well. And last but not the least, we need to evaluate that strategy and make a proper control over it. Next is management by objectives, MBO. The concept of MBO is a management approach where managers and employees jointly set goals. It means MBO is not a one-way thing. Under it, two parties were involved. First is manager and next is employee. It means it a employer and employers thing, right? They jointly set goals, and when they work together, they evaluate their performance very well, which literally based on the achievement of those goals. The features of the MBO is goal oriented, second is participation of employees, and third is performance based evaluation. It means the work of MBO, it literally depends or it literally works for the goal. Second is participation of employees are compulsory. Each and every employee must need to get participated through the process. And third, after the participation, we need to evaluate the performance of the employees so that we can evaluate that in which manner our work is going, right? Next is SWOT analysis. Full form of SWOT is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Okay? It's that kind of analysis which comes under the strategic planning, which literally frameworks your work and make identify an organization's project internal strength and weakness and external opportunities and threat, right? Strength and weakness is an internal thing which belongs to the organization, and opportunities and threats are external things, right? We can work on internal things very well, but there is no control over the opportunities and threats, which literally helps on leverage advantages, addresses shortcomings, capitalize on external trends, and mitigate risk for better decision making. It improves our competitive positioning. It's a simple but a powerful tool used by businesses, non-profits, and individuals for comprehensive situational assessment. Next is Potter's Five Forces. Potter's Five Forces is a model that literally helps in businesses understand industry attractiveness, predict potential profitability, and position themselves strategically. It means is a strategic framework by Michael Potter analyze industry competition and profitability, and which literally works on identifying these five key forces. First is rivalry among existing competitors. Second is threat of new entrants. Next is bargaining power of suppliers. Another one is bargaining power of buyers, that is customers. And last but not the least, the threat. There is a strong threat of substitute products for the services into the market. Now, last and the most important topic is decision making. Decision making is a cognitive process of selecting a course of action for multiple alternatives. It aims to achieve a goal, which literally involve steps like defining the problem, gathering info, creating alternatives, evaluating options, choosing the best, and implementing the outcomes uh, to ensure effectiveness and solving whatever the issue is given to solve the issues. It is a systematic approach to making thoughtful, informed choices rather than reactive ones, often use structure models for the better results.